Hi, Professor Martin, and everyone who watches this video. This is my walkthrough for Lab 1, and the folder where I saved my project is I had to save it in my local disk. So I'm working on getting an SSD internal hard drive. So once I go in the program, if I want to move around, I just have to hold the right click button and press WASD to move around, see it from different views. I could change the speed if I go on camera speed right here and I want to move faster, but I don't want to go so fast. So I'm going back to 4. If I want a full screen, I could hit F11, and the same way to exit that mode, F11. Now, my world outliner is going to be on the right side, and it's going to show me the different folders where the objects are, or the meshes and the geometries. Um, and I can organize it, rename it, and put objects in different folders as well. The details panel is going to show me the location, the rotation scale, and different other details that I can edit for different meshes and geometries. Now, if I wanted to change my view, I could go on the left side where it says perspective and go to a top view or bottom left. So if I hold the right click button, I can move around as well, or zoom in and out by using the wheel. Um, I could change also from lit to unlit or to wireframe mode. And here we are. And let's go back to the lit perspective view. If I wanted to add a shape to my world, I could drag it like this, go on this panel where it says place actors, and let's move this up and press the end key so it can be on the surface. And if I wanted to add a geometry, I could do the same thing. If I wanted to add materials to both of them, I just have to click it, go on where it says materials on the details panel, and look for the brick material, for example, and the same for the geometry. But in this case, we're going to select all the faces so that it doesn't only add it to one. We're going to go to geometry, select all adjacent surfaces, and then material, transform, and once I've selected all the faces, I can go on surface materials and add the brick material as well. So we go here, oops, select all, display, brick material, there we go. If I reshape both of them, I have to use different tools. For the static mesh, we're going to use the scale tool. And as you can see, if we stretch only one side, it's going to look all weird as if we pasted an JPEG image or something. So what we're going to do in this case is use the lock here. So to make sure all the X, Y, Z axis transform the same way. So in this case, it's all uniform. Let's go back and do scale on the geometry, but in this case, we're going to use the brush settings. So if I was to change the x-axis, I could go like this. Same with this, I could put different values in here, and that way it can change. Now, for the floor and the walls, I have replaced them with a geometry, and you can see here that it has brush settings for the walls as well. And the walls are the same size on each side, 275, 275, 26, 100. These have to be shorter to match the sides. And if I hit play, I'm now in my world and I can see that it has my name, Pablo Portfolio. Thank you so much for watching, and that's it.